DIY repair for flickering lines on a 50-inch TV. Welcome back to the Jessicajvst channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us face: flickering horizontal and vertical lines on our 50-inch TVs. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it using just a piece of sellotape. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Identify the problem. First things first, let's identify the problem. If you're seeing flickering lines, it could be due to a few reasons: loose connections, a faulty cable, or an issue with the TV screen itself. Let's make sure it's not a simple fix. Check your HDMI or AV cables to ensure they're securely connected. If everything looks good here, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Prepare for repair. Now that we've confirmed the issue is with the screen, let's prepare for the repair. You'll need some sellotape, scissors, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure the TV is turned off and unplugged for safety. Using the microfiber cloth, clean the area around the screen where you'll be applying the tape. This ensures a good bond and helps avoid dust or debris getting trapped. Step 3. Applying the sellotape. Next, cut a piece of sellotape about 3 mm long. We want to make sure it's long enough to cover the affected area without being too excessive. Now, carefully apply the sellotape over the flickering lines. Make sure it's smooth and flat against the screen. If you see any bubbles or wrinkles, gently press them out with your fingers. Step 4. Testing the repair. Once the tape is applied, it's time for the moment of truth. Plug your TV back in and turn it on. Let's see if those flickering lines are gone. Wow! It looks like the lines are gone. The picture is clear and vibrant again. This simple fix really worked. Step 5. Final tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. If you notice flickering lines returning, check the connections again. Avoid using heavy-duty tape, as it may damage the screen when removed. If the issue persists, it might be time to consult a professional. Thank you for joining me on this DIY journey. I hope this video helped you fix your TV with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your home running smoothly, one project at a time.